AI tools are growing at a speed we never imagined. What started as a simple tool for generating text has now become something much more creative. A few months ago, most people thought ChatGPT was just for writing emails, essays, or maybe some code. But now it's doing something amazing. It can create full images, and not just any images. We're talking about clear, sharp, and beautifully detailed visuals that actually look professional. Do you remember the early AI images? They had strange fingers, weird faces, and odd colors. It was easy to tell they were AI generated. But now, with ChatGPT's latest update, AI has truly improved. This tool is not just smart, it's creative and artistic. What's even better is that now everything is in ChatGPT. No need to switch between different websites or use complicated tools. Just one click, one chat, and you've got a high-quality image. So I started thinking, can ChatGPT change the way we make visuals? For example, can it help content creators make thumbnails? Can small business owners use it for product photos? Or can digital artists use it to come up with ideas? Can ChatGPT do all that? In this video, we'll test ChatGPT in 3 areas. Product photography, where we'll see how it can turn a simple product image into a professional-looking one. AI photo editing, to check how it can improve photos by changing the lighting, background, and clarity. And cartoon character art generation, where we'll see if it can create Ghibli-style cartoon art from photos, showing how creative it can get. Alright. Let's dive right into how you can use ChatGPT to create amazing high-quality images. First, you'll need to make sure you have access to the latest version of ChatGPT. If you haven't updated yet, simply go to the ChatGPT platform and check that you're using the newest version, which comes with this powerful image generation tool. Once you've updated, go ahead and start a new chat session. The interface is super simple, so don't worry about any complicated commands or technical skills. Alright, let's begin with product photography. And trust me, this will blow your mind. And no, we're not talking about expensive studio shoots or hiring a graphic designer. We're about to turn a basic, casually clicked photo into a premium-looking ad creative using nothing but ChatGPT. We're going to see how ChatGPT can instantly turn a simple smartphone photo into a high-quality, professional ad creative, all in just one click. First, click on the little plus icon in the ChatGPT chat window, then select Upload from Computer. Now choose 2 images, a high-quality ad creative of any brand. This will act as our reference photo, a raw product photo, something you captured casually using your phone. Once both images are uploaded, we'll write a detailed prompt to guide ChatGPT. Here's what I used as an example. Act as an expert product photographer. Replace the product on the right with the Jergens lotion bottle on the left, but maintain the same style, lighting, background, and crisp set design of the image on the right. After typing your prompt, click the arrow to send it. Now just wait a few seconds, then boom. Look at that. A polished, professional-looking ad is generated instantly. The lighting, shadows, focus, everything looks on point. It's the kind of result you'd normally expect from a professional designer after hours of work. But here, you got it in seconds. And if you want to try a new variation, just tweak your prompt. For example, now imagine a different version as if it were made for a summer campaign. Click enter again, wait a moment, and here it is. Sunny vibes, bright colors, perfect background, just like a summer ad you'd see on a billboard. It's seriously mind-blowing. After that, let's test something cool. This time, we'll design a YouTube thumbnail using a hand-drawn sketch. I've drawn this sketch myself, and now we'll see how ChatGPT transforms it into a high-quality thumbnail. First, click on the plus icon, then select Upload from Computer. Now upload the sketch. Once it's uploaded, type this prompt. Turn this sketch into a hyper-realistic YouTube thumbnail, 1920 by 1080. The only text that should stay during the creation process is 1000 miles per hour and the arrow next to it. The rest of the text are just instructions for you to follow. Now click the arrow to send the prompt. And amazing! ChatGPT turns that rough sketch into a sharp, eye-catching thumbnail. Perfect for getting clicks. It's high quality, clear, and ready to use. No need to spend hours in Photoshop or hire a designer. It's that easy. Now let's do some AI photo editing using ChatGPT. Just like before, click on the plus icon, then choose Upload from Computer and upload the image you want to edit. I'm going to upload my avatar for this example. Once the image is uploaded, write a prompt to tell ChatGPT what you want to change. For example, I'm typing, act as an AI photo editor expert and improve the lighting, background, and clarity of this photo. Make me look like I'm laughing naturally without changing my face shape or details. Then click the arrow. And here it is. Look at the result. It's clear, sharp, and looks very natural. The lighting is better, the background is improved, and the expression feels real. No strange fingers, no distorted features, just a clean, high-quality transformation. Now, let's take it a step further. You can simply describe what you want to change next. For example, I'll type, make me smiling and pointing towards the right with my finger. Click the arrow again, and after waiting just a few moments, I'm confident it's going to impress us again. And there you go, another professional-looking image. The pose is accurate, the edit is seamless, and it still looks natural. ChatGPT really makes advanced editing simple and quick. Now, last but not least, the famous Ghibli style. It's a huge trend on the internet right now. The dreamy, cinematic look inspired by Studio Ghibli movies has taken over timelines everywhere. Let's explore how to transform a simple image into that Ghibli style. Something that usually takes hours or even days if done manually by a human artist. Just like before, click on the plus icon, then select Upload from Computer. This time, I'm uploading an image of Donald Trump. Just a regular simple photo. Now in the prompt box, I'm writing, turn this image into famous Ghibli style. Once you've typed your prompt, click the arrow. And now just wait and watch. Again, I'm sure after a few moments, the result is going to blow your mind. Look at that, a complete transformation from a basic photo to a dreamy cinematic Ghibli style illustration. The colors, lighting, and background all feel straight out of an animated movie. It's stunning, and the best part is, it took only a few clicks. No need to hire artists or spend hours in complex software. Just a simple prompt, and ChatGPT does the magic. And remember, this isn't just for fun. People are actually using tools like this to offer services on platforms like Fiverr, creating thumbnails, ads creatives, Ghibli-style portraits, and even editing photos with AI. They're turning simple prompts into real money and building passive income streams from it. So don't just watch, explore the possibilities, and maybe even start your own AI-powered side hustle today. So that was a complete step-by-step walkthrough on how you can use ChatGPT for photo editing, ad creatives, thumbnails, and even viral Ghibli-style images, all without any design skills. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative hacks. And hey, don't just watch others do it. Try it yourself and unlock the full power of AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.